the search for light continues. I got this one here, guys, another tree I want to take down here. This one right here, though. So it wants to go this way, so this is where I'm going to let it go. That way. It's going to get caught up there anyway. Stay. Yes, I'm saying that's perfect, and you're thinking to yourself, Wally, that is far from perfect. Okay, well here's the crack. I didn't want that to go any further because there's a gate right there, okay, so I wanted it to get hung up this time. So what I need to do is I need to tickle this onto the ground and then I'll pull it back, and I know that it's not going to go any further into property that's not mine. Try and get it to go this way. That's going nowhere. and take it off the stump. Stop. Eyes up. Always the last one today, isn't it? What was I thinking there? What was I thinking there? Come here, Bruno. Jesus Christ almighty. Do you want to know what I was thinking? I wasn't thinking. My brain was switched off because I was nearly finished.
Oh.
So that is what happens when you switch off. Not the worst thing in the world to happen, just to get a saw pinch like that, and I fixed it pretty quickly as well. But oh, how easy is it to just switch off when you realise you're coming to the end of the day? Well, the end of this, I have to go in and do other stuff like, but do you know what I mean? So, hey Bruno. Oh, Bruno's all covered in sawdust. Oh no, I'm covered in sawdust as well. So guys, yeah, Jesus, you know, don't switch off. And the easiest time to do it is just right at the end, you know. Good dog, Bruno. Like we used to, when I was in the mountain rescue, we used to always say the most dangerous place is you know, half a mile away from your car, you know, when people are out hill walking and stuff, because they're not thinking about hill walking anymore. They're thinking about getting back to the car and moving on to the next stage and going for food or whatever. So and you switch off, and that's when you go over and you break your ankle or you break your leg or something like that. So hey, it's true in everything. When you're coming towards the end of the day, you're not focused. You're not focused on what you're doing. You're sort of thinking about other things. Anywho, I'm going to save this stem for building, and I got to tidy all this up and put it away. But guys, that is it. That is a very productive day for me. I have cut down quite a few trees. Oh jeez, he's way up there. I've cut down quite a few trees that I needed to. I still have more, you know, up around the back of the cabin especially. And there is, you know, there's just a wee bit more risk associated with them because the cabin's there and stuff, but it's all for light, and it's all for light over this side, you know, because this is the sun arc is just behind where the camera is. Anyway, Bruno's a little bit off today with the saw. He's not as usual sit down and stay away and stuff. I've had to pull him up a couple of times when he's getting in too close underneath trees. Isn't that right, McGunzo? But you're lucky, he's such a lovable rogue, aren't you, Bruno? This is why they call them velociraptor dogs. Here. Yep. Oh. No, you're off camera, Bruno. Good dog. Anyway, listen. I'm rambling. I am rambling. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay frosty.